JBL Quantum products have been at the heart of my gaming setup for a while now, and I think that they are seriously underrated. Starting off with the JBL Quantum Duos, they are a epic, and I mean epic, set of gaming speakers, and I can't recommend them enough. If you haven't checked out my video on them, I highly recommend that you do. I'll link it down below and I'll put it up here for you. I've also have the JBL Quantum 600 wireless headset, and this is an RGB headset, and so are the speakers, by the way, and I think that they are pretty good. I mean, for starters, sound quality wise, this headset is pretty good. Not only are the basses full, but so is the general sound quality of it. I honestly adore this headset. I've been using it for quite a while now, possibly around a year, maybe even more now, and it's my favorite all-time gaming headset. Today, however, we are checking out a different product. Today we are checking out the JBL Quantum 50s. So these are standard wired gaming earbuds, and I mean, just looking at them, they look pretty cool. Now, you're probably thinking, hang on a minute, Dom, it's 2022, why on earth are you reviewing wired gaming earbuds? Well, there's quite a few reasons for that. I mean, the first reason being, if you're like me, if you travel a lot, I don't know about you, but I always like to have a backup set of headphones. So I usually use some form of wireless earbuds. I take them with me absolutely everywhere. There are times where I simply forget to charge them, and I think that having a separate wired pair is a pretty cool idea. I exclusively got these as a backup set of headphones or earbuds more than anything. They came at a pretty good price on Amazon, and I think that, you know, I thought to myself, I'll give them a go since I'm already in the JBL ecosystem. But anyway, let's have a closer look at these. Okay, so this is what the box looks like, and initially it shows me that the headset is designed for portable gaming devices as well as your phone. So you got mobile, Nintendo Switch, Xbox One, One S, One X, Series S and Series X. You got your PS4 and 5, PC, Mac and VR. So obviously this sort of headset still has quite a lot of use cases. And I know I've said this before, but I absolutely love the tagline, "Dare to listen." So this is what the earphones look like, and the first thing I'm seeing is the fact that they are absolutely huge. They've got 8.6mm drivers, powered by the JBL Quantum sound signature sound, as well as a inline voice focus microphone. These feature your twist lock technology for comfort, stability on the go, and it's compatible practically everywhere. And it's got some pretty good volume controls there by the looks of things as well. Anyway, without further ado, let's unbox these. Get my unboxing knife ready. Maybe it might be a good idea to open it a little bit more. That's it. Right. There's absolutely nothing else inside of the box, so I'm going to put that to the one side. So, inside you've got this sort of wallet thing, which I imagine contains the documentation, which no one probably looks at. You've got some sort of, not sure what that is if I'm honest. You also have a little note saying welcome to the JBL Quantum family. You've got your standard Harman and JBL documentation here, and a massive quick start guide. I am kind of disappointed that they don't offer stickers. I mean, to be fair, for the price I can't expect much, but I always find it's nice to see stickers included. It's just something I don't really even use if I'm honest, but it's just nice. So that's just a cardboardy thing there. So okay, so So first thing is first, I see that you get an additional 4 ear tips, and the cable itself as well, to be fair, because the cable is actually pretty decent quality. Obviously it's braided. You've got the JBL logo here. It also has a nice sort of twisted shape, which is pretty cool. So obviously you have, let's get these out. Okay, so looking at the product, so here you have a control system. So you got your mic on off here, you got volume, which is pretty cool. Got another button here, which I'm not sure as of yet what it does. You've got a inline mic here, and these are the earbuds. So they actually do feel rather large. And plasticky, to be fair. So this top bit is very plasticky. This is all rubber. So yeah, okay. The overall cable up to the volume control here is braided, and it feels of pretty cool quality. But after that, it's just standard cable. It's not braided or anything like that. So yeah, it looks like they've cheaped out slightly here, but as long as the sound quality is good, you know, that's the main thing I'm concerned about. Okay, so I'm now going to have a look at how they feel inside of my ears. Okay. So unsurprisingly, they actually feel really comfortable. But they do at the same time sort of feel as if they stand out quite a bit, especially compared to the AKG Samsung ones that I use at the minute. But yeah, I'm not sure if you can see that they stand out quite a lot actually. But they are extremely comfortable. So okay, I am now going to have a bit of a listen to some music, and most importantly of all, I'm going to see what it sounds like when I'm playing a game. Right, let's start with gameplay. So I just found out that this is a multifunction button which can pause play if you just tap it once, and if you tap it twice, it will go to the next track, or 3 times, it will go to the previous track. You can also answer and decline your phone call. Okay, so first of all, in terms of gameplay, these are actually pretty good. I mean, for earbuds, they are a lot better compared to earbuds I've used in the past, specifically gaming earbuds I've used in the past. And I think they, you know, the vocals have pretty cool potential here. Now I'm gonna try some music. Right, so blimey, these are really good. And not only are the bass is extremely strong, the sound is really clear, and the vocals are really good as well. So now there's just the one test left to do, and that's the mic test. So I'm gonna cancel the video here, and I'm gonna restart the video with using this mic here. I have no idea what it sounds like at this stage. Hopefully it sounds as good as these sound, but there's only one way to tell, I guess. You'd already know that. So overall, and as far as my first impressions of them go, I think that they are really, really good. I mean, I must admit I was a bit hesitant when I seen the overall size of them, but actually they fit really comfortably inside of your ear and they don't fall out. They just sit there pretty steady, pretty cool. The bass is absolutely amazing on these, and so are the vocals. Now I just had to listen to the mic quality, and I think the mic quality is also pretty decent. So, you know, for the price, you can see why JBL Quantum is seriously underrated, because I think that these are absolutely brilliant. Obviously, the one downside of headphones like this is the fact that you do need an adapter of some form. So if you're an Apple user, you have to have your Lightning, or if you, like me, are a Pixel or Android user, you have to have your USB-C. But yeah, honestly, I highly recommend these. For the price, they are amazing. I'll leave these linked down below for you as well. But yeah, anyway, that is absolutely it from me in this video. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more great content.